Hi everyone, welcome back to Tip Top Tips. Today we are having a closer look at 3 words which often get confused: prescription, receipt and recipe.
Oh, Tip Top's got the tips.
Hello, did you find something you like?
Yes, I did. I would like to buy this sweater.
Okay, excellent choice.
Yes, I love it.
Wonderful. Okay, would you like a bag?
Oh yes, please.
Okay, let me just pop that in there for you. And how would you like to pay?
I would like to pay by credit card.
Okay,
Let me just get
that's €99. Thank you very much.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, there we
Thank
go.
you.
And would you like your receipt?
Oh yes, please.
Okay.
Great,
If
thank
you
so much.
should have any problems or you decide you don't like it, you can always bring it back to the store, but make sure you keep hold of your receipt.
Sure, I will do so.
Okay, thanks very
Thanks a
much.
lot.
Have a nice day.
Bye bye.
Tea?
Oh yes, please, Nick. I would love to have some tea. Thank you so
You're
much.
very well.
Thank you.
Oh, I baked some cookies this
Oh,
morning.
wow.
Would you like a biscuit?
I would like to taste it.
How is it?
It's delicious. Nick, you must give me the recipe.
I have it right here.
Mm.
Conveniently,
How cool.
the recipe.
Brilliant. I will try it out.
It's got your ingredients and the method.
Oh, that's excellent. Perfect. Thanks a lot.
Let me know how you get on.
I will do so. Thank you so much, Doctor.
No worries, Ms. Musa. I have your prescription for you.
Oh, great.
You need to take this to the pharmacy and then one pill 3 times a day.
Okay, 1 pill 3 times a day.
And in
over
7
the
days you should be healthy again.
Okay, thank you so much.
No worries. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. So guys, I hope we've made it clear the difference between receipt and recipe, and the last one, prescription. So if you liked our video, please like it, subscribe and hit the notification bell. See you soon and goodbye.
Oh, Tip Top, oh, Tip Top, oh, Tip Top's got the tips.